Nollywood star DAMOLA OLATUNJI allegedly ties the knot again. Before we continue, what we do on our channel is we give news about Nollywood actors and actresses right here. If you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. In what appears to be a surprising turn of events, popular Nollywood actor DAMOLA OLATUNJI has reportedly gotten married again. The celebrated actor, known for his roles in numerous Yoruba and English language films, was recently spotted in a series of photos and videos that suggest he may have tied the knot with a new partner. The news broke after images and clips surfaced on social media, showing OLATUNJI dressed in an elegant wedding suit alongside an unidentified woman dressed in a glamorous bridal gown. The duo were seen sharing intimate moments, exchanging smiles, and striking poses that hinted at a romantic bond. The photoshoot, which reportedly took place at an upscale venue, has left fans and followers speculating about the actors' relationship status. In the videos, OLATUNJI and the mystery woman were seen cutting a cake, working hand in hand, and even engaging in what seemed like traditional marriage rites. The posts quickly went viral, foiling rumors of a possible secret wedding. However, neither DAMOLA OLATUNJI nor his representatives have confirmed or denied the speculations as of the time of this report. As of now, neither DAMOLA OLATUNJI nor his management team have made any official statements regarding the viral photos and videos. Fans and followers are eagerly awaiting clarification from the actor himself to put the rumors to rest. Whether this is a real-life wedding or just another film production, one thing is certain: DAMOLA OLATUNJI has once again captured the attention of the public. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.